Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox in Chrome Mobile on Android. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Roblox website by typing roblox.com into the address bar. Ensure your Android device is running a recent operating system version, ideally Android 10 or higher, for optimal compatibility. This initial step sets the foundation for accessing the platform directly through your browser. Once on the Roblox website, you will need to trick Chrome into thinking it's a desktop browser. Tap the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of your screen to open the Chrome menu. Then, find and select the desktop site option from the drop-down list. This crucial action tells Roblox to display the full desktop version of its website, which is necessary for the game launcher to function correctly on your Android device. While browser play is possible, for a truly optimized experience, installing the official Roblox application is highly recommended. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Roblox in the search bar. Once you find the official app by Roblox Corporation, tap Install to download it. This app provides dedicated features and usually offers superior performance and stability compared to playing through a mobile browser. To enhance your gameplay, optimize Roblox settings once you are in a game. Navigate to the game's settings menu and consider lowering the graphics quality to automatic or a slightly reduced preset. Additionally, always connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, aiming for speeds of at least 20 megabits per second, and close any applications running in the background on your Android phone. These adjustments can significantly improve your frame rate and reduce lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.